Welcome to the future. The future is now. Automatically plan, manage, monitor and analyze all of your resources and production processes. You have the entire value stream under control. Plan your staffing based on skills. Optimize your machine planning and boost capacity. Control your material flows in every production phase. Predict delivery times with confidence and precision, and shorten them. Avoid production errors and enhance your product quality. Reduce your material stocks. Optimize your warehousing. Guarantee global traceability. And complete end-to-end documentation. Receive real-time information from all locations around the clock to instantaneously optimize production. And count on maximum security thanks to high availability systems. Too good to be true? Absolutely not. Use MES from Komax, the production management system software for the wire processing industry. This MES was developed by the leaders in their industries, Komax and iTAC. Komax MES is an effective tool for managing production processes in any industry and companies of all sizes. You too can achieve your goals with Komax MES. Optimized production, control of all processes, and access to all relevant key performance indicators. Anytime, on any device, and from anywhere in the world. The Internet of Things at one's fingertips, including yours. Komax MES, an innovation from Komax Wire and iTAC.